Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Rimi here and today makeup tutorial is about a ballet dance girl. So firstly apply a few drops of moisturizer and let it soak into the skin. And now using the finger to dab the foundation evenly across her face and neck. And now using brush nicely to blend the foundation into the skin. And make sure the foundation must be one shade darker to your child's skin tone. Otherwise they may look washed out on stage. And now I'm going to apply a gel liner with the help of a brush on the bottom and top lids to help emphasize the eye. So the same way I'm doing the second one also. So the stage makeup for kids will be a little more dramatic than normal makeup, so the blush should be slightly more pronounced. And, and always blend the blush across their cheekbones. So choosing a neutral color to highlight the brow bone first or just focus on the lid. So here I am filling the lid with the golden color and it should be close to the kid's natural skin tone and just a few shades darker like brown color you can fill in and outer of the lid. And you can see I'm just like filling it in the inner and outer of the lid. Likewise I'm doing the another one. So she is going to wear a purple dress. For that I'm going to add some drama to her eyes. So little bit purple color and grey color, sweep a brush over the crease of her eyelid and blend down toward her lashes. So it's time for lipstick. I'm going to apply lipstick directly and you can see without any liner and all because kids are like very no need of any liner and all, so that's why I'm going to apply it directly. And you can see how beautifully she opens her mouth and it's like a O shape. And she's sitting very quiet and very calm, so yeah, it's decent, but not every kids are like the same. Here I'm going to make a top knot bun for a ballet girl. So because she's performing a ballet dance girl, so that's why the top knot bun is like one of the most important thing while doing this. So I'm taking all the hairs together and just making a knot here, tied all the hairs together and just with the help of a crunchy or like any small rubber band and just simply roll all over the hairs together and just simply pull it back and apply and put one bobby pin or a normal pin you have. You can see I have almost 6 to 7 pins and just simply press it all over her head. And now it's almost done. And here I just cover her bun with the help of net. And now look at her bun, so perfect and so pretty she looks, and she's really look like a ballet girl. And look at her face and makeup and all.